Stakeholders in Mocho Clarendon staged a function recently to say thanks to musical icon Derrick Morgan for the work over the years. As you'll hear in this report, the event was also used to highlight some pressing issues, including infrastructure development and violent lyrics.
Family, friends and well-wishers braved the rain to gather in Mocho in northern Clarendon to honor Derrick Morgan, a man who they say is a big deal to them, thanks to his exploits in reggae, dancehall, ska and rocksteady, dating all the way back to the 1960s. Mr. Morgan was born in the Stourton area of Mocho and will celebrate his 82nd birthday this month. The stakeholders said he will also be honored during the parish's Diamond Jubilee celebrations later this year.
But I really think that I will have to talk to my councillors that we can maybe channel some funds. Scrape a little from this one and scrape a little from that one, scrape a little from that one, right? Yeah, man, cut everybody budget. Yes. And we do some more work on Gully Road. And we tidy up the square here. And we name it the Derrick Morgan Square.
And although he has issues with his health, including his sight, Mr. Morgan said he is pleased to have lived long enough to get this type of recognition from the community. He also made a demand of the political directorate.
So I'm going to call up Mr. Morgan, which is Mr. Robert Lester Morgan, for him to do something for us that we can get some water running. Everybody say, yes, water go run, I know water. I would love to see water run in Mocho before me dead.
There was also an appeal from a clergyman for more musicians to emulate Mr. Morgan and put positive messages in their music.
That the type of music that we are now having has been causing some negative impact on our Jamaican society. And the argument sometimes is that the music don't have anything to do with what is happening in society. But I believe that our young people are influenced by these artists coming up nowadays. And they would have moved away from the conscious lyrics.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.